bilang yaya ng anak ko, and wala tayong magiging problema.
Opo, ma'am.
Thank you, Grandma.
Opo, ma'am.
Marichu, kuhanan mo ako ng freshly squeezed orange juice. Bilisan mo ha! Carla, right? Are you really going to do everything and anything I ask you to do?
Opo, ma'am. May pag-utos ka sa akin, ma'am. Gawin ko na